Ahoy there! Today we're going to show you how to old-timey some paper like we do for our wanted posters or random letters. It could be used for anything really. So first off, you got to have your pan with some tea. Go ahead and get your tea started. We're going to go into the indoor kitchen for that. So after your oven's preheating and your tea is cooling off, this is when you take your paper, or you could do this way earlier if you're sitting around and feel like doing it. Just going to rip the edges really lightly though. You don't want to get too crazy with it. You don't want to tear half the page off or anything like that, like I'm doing right now. And your tea's cooled off. Then you're going to take your pan and put your paper in your pan, like so. And there you have it. There's your paper. Obviously, before you would do this whole thing, you would have it printed out already, whatever you're going to put on it. You just print your picture first, then you do this. And it comes out looking pretty good. And there you have it. Go make some old paper, you scurvy dogs.
See you next time, folks.